Can I put this in this little hole? Is this what's for?
No.
Okay. It's a
handle, man. It's a handle.
It's a perfect size hole to put my garbage in.
It's me. You put garbage on my table, man.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Tony Learns Cooking. My name is Tony and I don't know how to cook. I do know someone who does though. This is Hope, who specializes in traditional northern Chinese dishes. Today we got a dish for you that's called Kung Pao Chicken. What can we get started here?
Slice them.
I'm done. Can I put this in this little hole? Is this what's for?
No.
Okay. It's a
handle, man. It's a handle.
It's a perfect size hole to put my garbage in.
It's me. You put garbage on my table, man.
Alright, what's next?
Put some water. And now we're gonna cut the chicken. We need to marinate first.
Okay.
A little bit salt, 1 tablespoon. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. Cooking wine, 2 tablespoons. A little bit
White pepper.
white pepper. Put the leek and ginger, the juice in. Okay, enough, thank you.
You want some cornstarch?
1 tablespoon. And I need some oil actually. 3. Yeah. Now we let this 15 minutes to marinate, get all the flavor get in. Very
Here's the
convenient.
preparation finished.
Now let's make a sauce. This is most important step. Soy sauce. 3 tablespoons. Same size of the cooking wine. 1 tablespoon salt. 1 tablespoon sugar. Vinegar. And at the same time, we already heat up the oil. We are beating it. A little bit dark soy sauce. And the last step is cornstarch.
The reason why Hope is doing all of this time is because he doesn't trust me to do it right.
Can I have some water, please? A little bit.
Okay.
Here we go. Okay, now stir a little bit. Shake it.
You're putting in a lot of meat. Last time when we did the lamb dish, you also put a lot of meat. But last time it just wasn't hot enough. But you think this time was hot enough.
Yeah.
So what made the difference? Just waiting for the temperature to get really hot. Okay.
The difference is last time you cook it, this time I cook it.
That's the difference. Okay.
Mix the cornstarch very well. And then we're gonna put this in here.
Oh wow, they go together.
And
You took some leek,
leek.
and then you put some garlic.
That's the sauce. Perfect. And our chicken is ready as well, so we take it out.
You said golden brown. Okay.
Here we go. Last step. You didn't see it. Oh, you didn't see it. This is the last step. And in the rest time, we bake some peanuts. Here we go. Gold brown, very crispy. Very good.
So you put some oil on it, and then you put it, and then you oven baked it.
Yeah, roast peanuts.
Roast peanuts.
Very good. Don't smoke him, please.
I didn't know Kung Pao Chicken is a spicy dish.
It's not that spicy.
Oh,
It's
okay.
not that spicy. This is Sichuan food. This is Sichuan food.
Yeah, it's Sichuan. Oh, is it? I didn't know that.
Everything in. Here we go. Chicken. chicken in. I like this.
Oh, it smells really good.
Alright. Sauce in. See?
Peanuts.
Peanut in.
My OCD wants you to push all the stuff on the edges back inside. Thank you.
Sure, no problem. Here
It's
we
my
go.
OCD.
Your OCD. Sure. You're done. hey, where do we? Kung Pao Chicken.
Okay, well, we finished making this delicious dish,
Kung Pao Chicken.
Kung Pao Chicken, the one that I didn't make. Okay, well, let's give it a try. It's just a traditional dish. I don't remember eating this dish growing up in China.
Oh, really? Probably Sichuan food. Very tender this time, right? Juicy.
What do you mean this time?
Tender, juicy.
When I make it, it doesn't taste good.
When you make it, it's like it tastes like a jerky, beef jerky.
When I make meat, it tastes like beef jerky. Well, on that note, thank you for watching. And please consider subscribing to our channel and drop us a comment below if you have any other ideas that we should try. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching.